More than a year after a fire badly damaged Mr. G's Supper Club in Jacksonport, demolition crews were on scene on Monday, and so was the family behind Mr. G's. I'm your Door County neighborhood reporter Caitlin Holt with what the owners had to say.
And we raised 5 kids here, so yeah, it's sad to see it go at this point.
Bob Geithner, the owner of Mr. G's Supper Club, said there is a lot of memories attached to the building.
There's a lot of memories, yeah, a lot of friends and families got special memories here. From anniversaries to all these special events.
Geithner said 50 years of the Supper Club have gone by, and now it is no more.
My father initially started it in 1973. My wife and I purchased it in 1981, so my wife and I have been here over 43 years.
In October of 2022, a fire started by arson devastated the building. Jonathan Pulich faced 2 counts of arson of a building without owner's consent. Pulich pleaded no contest, and we were told he is with the Department of Health Services for mental health treatment as part of a plea agreement. Robert Geithner, one of the sons of owners Bob and Mary Geithner, attended the demolition.
I'm hoping we'll figure something out in the future here at the property, but yeah, it's a really sad day. So.
Robert says with Door County's growth, there is an energy that's right to start something new. And he and his siblings are looking towards the future.
This would have been the 3rd generation taking it over, so we'll see. I don't know where we're going to go next.
Bob and Mary Geithner have decided to retire following the fire. Bob says he is unsure of what is next for the space and whether it will be their children or another buyer that decide to do something with the property. A lot of emotion was tied to the building as family and friends gathered for the demolition.
A lot of people, are going to be sad that it's going to be gone, but like I say, hopefully something in the future will be done.
The property is also home to the Fernwood Gardens Ballroom, which the family continues to operate, and they say there may be potential to expand in the future. In Jacksonport, Caitlin Holt, NBC 26.